4-speed constant mesh transmission. In a constant mesh, all gears are always spinning together. The difference is which gear connects to the output shaft. These shifters fork like synchronizers that lock different gears to the shaft. So let me make sure I'm in first. Locked into first. The biggest problem is catching it on camera without my hand blocking it. First gear. See how first gear works? Oh, it's sorry, it's in second. Let's shift to first. First gear. Second gear. Third gear. Fourth gear. You can